Well, a bit of desperation here. I can't find any more suitable gears at the moment. So this is one of the ones that's split. I pushed it on the shaft so the split opened up. Then I put super glue into the split and I've taken it back off again, hoping that it will hold itself closed and the glue will cure and hold it together. I don't honestly think it'll work, but it's the best solution I can come up with at the moment. And while I'm waiting for that to go off, I put all the screws back in, put the circuit board back in place. I can still just get that gear onto there. Just realised that one has to go in there before we put the receiver board back in place. It's beginning to get dark and it sounds like it's starting to rain. Haven't put that gear back on yet, and I haven't put this wheel back on yet. But we should be able to watch. Wrong side. That one works. Wheels back on. Gear in place. Switch it on. Nothing. Oh, obviously I haven't switched it on properly. No, that one's jamming. The other side's okay. No, it's not going to work. That gear is split. You can see that split quite clearly now in there, and that's just not, as soon as it turns round, that's jamming. Jams at that point. So we're stuck. We've got to get another gear. Before I give up for the night, I'm just going to take one of these split gears, heat up this knife and try and melt the end over, see if that will hold it together. Well, that idea failed, so we'll have to wait for a bit longer. This is not a fix. The gear that's on there is split, it's just less split than the other one I was trying to use. So, forwards, backwards, turn, turn. So, I'm going to put it back together for now, but I'm going to have to search for some more gears. Zippy 2S LiPo battery. I can just get in there. See if I can get the cover on. What I think I might do there is drill a hole in it and put a little bar in there to restore it. I suppose I could try super glue just temporarily. Well, let's see what happens. Don't be surprised if the axe breaks or it suddenly stops moving. Right, well that's the axe. Forwards, yeah, backwards, turn. I'm trying to get it to go sideways on so we can see the axe moving. Right, that's a bit better. Okay, axe. Oh, there we go. That's what I said might happen. Yeah, I'll need to drill a hole in that and put a bar up through the middle so it holds in place. Still, it is working at the moment, but I don't expect that broken gear to last very long. Yeah, it's gone already. You can hear it spinning. Still, we did actually see it move, but I've got more work to do before I can give it to my grandson. Drilled a couple of holes in the axe, put some galvanised wire in there, drilled a couple of holes in there too, so it all fits together. I should think it'd be a good idea just to glue these up into here and leave it so we can take it apart. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll glue these up into here. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.